Hello guys and welcome to my channel. This is Josue or Josh. Just wanted to continue with the information about how to create or how you build your own website. Today I want to talk about how to add features or where are these features located. Now because I don't want to get through the whole process on how to get in or log in and stuff like that or create a new account, please make sure you check my videos before. And you can just keep following the rest of the videos. I'm going to talk about some features. So this is one of my websites that I have. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to, instead of working on top of my design that I already created, I'm just going to duplicate the page so I can actually work on it. So the way I duplicate a page, I'm going to the top on the left side where it says home page or pages home. You click on there and it's going to give you a drop down of all the pages that are included on your website. So I'm just going to duplicate the website. You go to this little little dots, and then go to press duplicate. Automatically, it's going to put it underneath the option, underneath the page that you created, and then it's going to say copy of what. I'm just going to change the name to test, and that's about it. So I'm going to add a feature. How do I add features and where are they located? First of all, I'm just going to remove all this so you guys can see how to add them. So here, okay, so I'm going to also remove this things. Okay, so how I'm going to add the features. Let's say I want to add the map. I have a business like a law office, or I have a liquor store, or also like a dentist, any kind of a business that is required for customers or users to come to join your office. How do you do that? So you go to the left side, you see App Market, the little store front store little picture. You click in there and it's give you all the apps you can add to your website. Now there different kinds of apps. So the first ones are free. There are some apps that are completely free. They are created by Wix or from other companies. They offer it just for free. There are other apps that you gotta pay for them. Only you can get them if you paid for them. Most of them they have a trial, so you can see how it works and you can see all the features, blah blah blah. But at the end of the day, you will have to pay for them. There's another ones that actually have a free option and a premium option. So even if you go through the 14 days of trial, and if you don't want to pay for it, if you still want to use the free option, you can definitely do it. Of course, you won't have all the features available for that specific item or app for your website. It's very important that if you decide to go with the free version, most of them or some of them, they have their own logos. So if you publish your website, people when go there, they're going to see the logo of their app. Okay, so make sure that you make sure that if you agree with this or not. So we are here on the apps, the categories. Again, if you know what you want to add, you can or where it's located, you can just go to all this. All these are like the free apps, or if you want to add a chat to your website, you can definitely do it here. If you're a blogger, these apps for blogs, they have a bunch of things. Social, if you want to add Facebook, Twitter, all kinds of, that is integrated with your Facebook. So everything that you post in there is going to show on your website. You can also do that. Please make sure you check all these options available. There are the new apps, analytics, and marketing tools. If you are a photographer, if you have a store and you want to sell, you're doing an e-commerce, definitely these are apps that you definitely want to use. So in this case, we just want to add a map. Now, if you don't know where the app is located on these ones and you don't want to go through all of them, it's very simple. You go to the top and then you write down map. If you don't know the name of the app, you just automatically just look for it with the name. So I'm just gonna add Google Maps because this is free. It's completely free. It doesn't matter how long you have it there. It's completely free. You see on the bottom it says premium. That means that you have a premium version that you gotta pay. This has a free trial. Make sure you read this before you add the feature. Now, if you want to see how it looks or how it works, you click on it. Don't click on add to site, because that means you already know how it works, and then you already know that you want it. So just click on the app, and it's gonna give you the overview of the app. You can see a demo. You can see all the features that include. I'm sorry because my internet's a little bit slow. So all the features, etc., etc. So in this case, I do want to add it because I have a liquor store. So you add the feature. And normally when you add any feature, automatically is going to take it to the top of your website. Okay, so if you don't see it, it's because it's on the top. So here, I'm not going to just move it right now. I'm just going to change it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add an address. You can just put the address, or you can just look for the location. Let's say Statue of Liberty. Okay, so we're going to find what's the address, and automatically is going to take me there. Okay, so that's the Statue of Liberty. Where's the address? If it's a landmark, in this case, because if your office is, of course, is not a landmark, just write down the address. I'm not going to do it right now, so, it doesn't matter. Just write down, you can just write down a name that says dental or Max Dental Office. Okay, so every time people will see a little pointer, is going to see the name of your office. So you could put it as if you want satellite views or not, or how you want. It shows street view control. All these options on the right. If you want to show this, if you don't want to show this, just select, close them, and automatically it's just going to show that. So you select them as a regular Google Maps. If you wanted English, etc., and that's about it. You close it, and now you have it. Now you also can change the design of it. When you press in design, it will tell you to show you several options. If you want to even change the colors and stuff like that, definitely you can do it. Like this one, I actually like the yellow and black. Close it. You already have it. This is great. You're just gonna put it whatever you want. You grab it and you take it down or up or whatever. So here, let's say I'm gonna put it here, and there you go. You have the map. So when you go to preview or you publish your website, people is gonna see your map. Oh, sorry. There's another feature you can add too. So yeah, and you can select it here. And that's it. This is just a way to add the map. Let me go back to the editor. Let's just add another feature so you will see also how it works. Let's say that you want to add the media. So you go again to the market. There are specific categories where you could go, and it says media. Where is it? Social. Not media, I'm sorry. Social. So you go here, you can see all the apps they have. They have a lot. Or you can just go directly to one that you would like to add. So let's say I want to add Facebook. Facebook. Just Facebook, because I don't have Pinterest or anything else. Just want to have Facebook. They have a few options or few apps for Facebook that is not only for you to show your media on your website, but is also for you to add other kind of features that are integrated with Facebook. In this case, this Facebook like pop-up is the one that you just saw a little bit before. See the pop-up now. I have the free version. That's how it's gonna look. If you want the premium version, it looks a lot prettier, like nicer, blah blah. You can definitely do it and just pay for it. I really don't, I don't care about that specifically because it only lasts a few seconds. Customers, and sometimes they just close it. So anyways, you want to add just the button so people can go and click on it. One of the ones that I like is the Facebook page like. It's actually completely free. When you press it, you add it to the site. Now again, if you just want to see how it looks, you can just click it. and that's about it. Again, it went all the way to the top. This is what I like for this app, is because you can actually show your Facebook page on your website. So you just connect it with your Facebook page. How do you do it? You could just add page name. What's, whatever. This is refer me update. Okay, now there's a lot of companies that are called refer me. In this case, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to change it through the settings. Because my website already has a name. There's my website. So here's where you see the name. You gotta make sure that you know the name of your Facebook. So that's how you add it. So every time you post something, it's gonna keep showing it in your screen. It's gonna show how many people liked theirs from your friends. You can like, people can just click in there and you could just click like your page. So that's a pretty cool feature. Now if you want to add, I'm just gonna add one more feature. Let me see. Just gonna delete it. Just click on delete on your keyboard, and I want to add another feature that is to show all the media of Pinterest, etc., etc. So let's go back to the categories, and we're gonna go to social. Okay, so this one is one of them. The social media, again, is a free and a premium version. So I'm gonna add it. Again, if you want to see how it looks, you can just click on it to see the overview of the app. In this case, it's gonna tell you how to. You just go double click, and you set up your accounts of how many. Like if you have different accounts like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, etc., etc. Now, one of the things I wanted to show you with this app is, as I said, when used for free, they're gonna have their media. I mean, not the marketing on the bottom. Because why? I mean, they just created it and they're using for free, so they kind of have something there. So you can add all kinds of media here. If you want to add more, you can just upgrade this app so you can add more, other media that you probably have. So yeah, this is a really cool version. I have just the Pinterest, and I don't remember what is this, but anyways. So yeah, you can all this list as you want to add Facebook, my personal Facebook page, you as a page, refer me, get app, continue to Facebook. Okay, you sign in. This is not my Facebook. Anyway, so that's how you do it. You click on there and then you just open it. And then it's going to add it. So every time you post something, it's going to show. So it's like a wall where you're going to see all the posting everywhere. You could do Instagram. You can do all kinds of stuff. So again, you just grab it and you bring it whatever you want to do it. So it's as simple as that. Just grab it, move it, paste it, and just set the settings. If you have more questions about it, you guys can actually add for restaurants. Like if you want to add your menu, if you want to do a magazine, if you want to do if you want to sell like e-commerce, if you want to sell a shirt, if you want to sell jewelry, whatever you want to sell, there are also kind of features in here. Please guys, check it out. There are very, very cool features in here. If you have questions or comments about it, please do so on the comment below. Thank you very much again for watching, and hope to see you soon. Thank you.